Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice in a pan. First, select the appropriate type of rice for your meal, whether it's long grain, short grain, or basmati. Then, accurately measure your rice and water, typically using a 1:2 ratio for most white rice varieties. Rinse the rice under cool water until it runs clear to remove excess starch, ensuring a fluffy result. Finally, choose a heavy-bottomed pan with a tight-fitting lid. Now, let's get cooking. Combine your rinsed rice and the measured water in your chosen pan. Bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Immediately cover the pan tightly with its lid to trap all the steam inside. Allow the rice to cook undisturbed for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the rice type. Once the cooking time is complete, remove the pan from the heat source. It's crucial to let the rice rest, still covered, for at least 10 minutes. This resting period allows the steam to redistribute evenly throughout the rice, resulting in perfectly cooked grains. After resting, gently remove the lid and use a fork to fluff the rice, separating the grains for a light and airy texture. For consistently perfect rice, remember a few key tips. Never lift the lid during the cooking or resting phases, as this releases essential steam. Always adjust your water to rice ratio based on the specific variety you are using. Brown rice, for example, needs more water. A small pinch of salt enhances the flavor, and adding a tablespoon of oil or butter can prevent sticking and add richness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.